Young fan, play the beat.
What we think, Dan?
Taking it in right now. We're excited though. I'm really excited to be here. Ryan Cartwell really is MVP of this team.
How you feeling, Chris?
I feel great. This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah. Dave, how you feeling?
Pumped. Let's get this done.
Yeah.
Very nervous. Yeah. Everyone is nervous as fuck.
Ryan.
Yeah, we're just ready to get a good job done.
Yeah,
get some
very
quality
good.
work on their day in the office. Judges do on their time off, they just sit down. Come on.
And Sandbox Solar out of Fort Collins, Colorado. Competitors. All right, if you all can join me in doing our countdown, you know how it goes. We're going 3, 2, 1, 20. Let's get after it.
Woo! Let's go, baby. How's it down there, Dan?
It's fun.
Highlight reel play right here.
Such a highlight reel.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just
Trying to help out.
Yeah, that's a hard part. Your ropes are like, we're wrestling in there.
Worst parts. He wired everything the same way, but he like handed me a mod that was like flipped.
So you just had to go with it.
It was that top rail. Yeah, I had to flip it. Like, okay, I guess we're doing it this way now.
Your overall score was 70, your overall was 55, so Sandbox Solar.
Man, you guys are awesome.